Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bon from Bon South Properties. Today, meron tayong i-feature na property inside South Forbes. And if you are looking for a ready for occupancy house na may premium feel, magandang layout, and nasa magandang community, this might be something na pwede mong i-consider. This property priced at 29 million pesos with a 260 square meter floor area. So today, iikutan natin yung buong bahay, ipapakita sa inyo yung actual layout, flow, and of course, magbibigay din ako ng honest thoughts if worth it ba siya for the price. So right now guys, nandito na tayo sa property and as you can see, very clean yung design niya. Medyo modern classic yung dating. Hindi siya super flashy, but it's give you that premium European-inspired look, which makes sense kasi nga siya 2D Paris yung theme ng community. So guys, pagpasok natin, unang mapapansin mo agad is the ceiling height. Very open, very airy, hindi siya masikip sa pakiramdam. This is your main living area and honestly, ang ganda ng natural light dito. Kahit daytime, hindi mo na kailangan mag-open pa ng lights. FYI guys, yung mga makikita nyong furnitures and appliances ay hindi po kasama sa pag-purchase. However, you can easily fit large sofa, center table, and even big size of TV. And hindi awkward yung layout, very usable yung mga space. One thing I always check sa properties is yung flow. And dito, okay yung layout from living area, diretso ka sa dining area without any weird corners. Now, let's talk about kitchen area. This is a big plus for the property. May sarili siyang counter clearance by area which is very useful. Sa likod guys, you have your maid's room with own toilet and bath. This is important especially if you have kasambahay, may privacy sila and hindi sila makikigamit sa main bathrooms. Also from here, may access ka papuntang service area. Practical especially for daily use. On this side naman, dito located yung ating first room. Perfect para sa may mga elders sa family. So tara, akyat tayo ng second floor. Before tayo umakyat, quick stop sa powder room. This is for the guests, so hindi na nila kailangan gamitin yung private bathroom sa taas. Clean, simple, functional, exactly what you need. Pag akyat mo dito, you will see na maayos din yung hallway. Hindi sayang yung mga space. This property has 4 bedrooms. So dito sa second floor located yung ating 3 bedrooms. Each bedroom, decent size, may sariling toilet and bath, and may natural sunlight. Hindi tinipid sa layout, which is good. This is your master bedroom. First impression, well, spacious. You can easily fit a king-size bed, side tables, lounge chair, or small sofa. One of the best features, syempre itong walk-in closet natin. So hindi ka na mag-aalala sa mga storage and mas organized na yung space natin. Then of course, your master bedroom, clean layout, good size, and very functional. This is the kind of room na uuwian mo talaga after a long day. If you want to schedule a viewing of this property, just message me directly. Again, this is Bon from Bon South Properties. And see you in the next property tour.